Are you looking for the best pool filters? In this video we will look at some of the best pool filters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Hayward Filter Pump System. Our favorite pool filter is the Hayward Perflex EC40 because of its diatomaceous earth filtration system, which pumps out crystal clear water. It also comes with a 1 horsepower pump and all the necessary hardware for hooking it up to most above-ground pools. The Perflex EC40 is designed with above-ground pools in mind, but we also like it for smaller in-ground pools due to its all-in-one design, excellent filtration, and easy maintenance procedures. It isn't self-priming, so you would need a workaround like a priming pump or installing the filter below the water level to make it work with an in-ground pool. The pump has a 40 GPM flow rate, and the filter is capable of cleaning pools up to about 19,200 gallons in volume, which is enough to handle a rectangular pool that's about 32 by 16 feet with an average depth of 5 feet or a 28-foot circular pool with a depth of 4 feet. This filter provides top-of-the-line filtration, removing particles down to 2 microns. Hayward makes no specific claims regarding pathogens, but many bacteria fall into that size range. Other tiny debris that fits that size range includes pollen, dust, algae spores, and dead skin cells. Of course, it also filters larger debris just as efficiently. We like how easy this filter is to maintain, especially considering how well it filters. It's a diatomaceous filter, so you do need to buy 4 pounds of diatomaceous earth and keep some on hand for regular maintenance. A bump handle greatly simplifies routine maintenance because it clears the tubes of diatomaceous earth and other debris without requiring laborious backflush procedures. In addition to the bump handle procedure, you can expect to open the filter housing to clean the filters and add more diatomaceous earth as needed. This is more work than a sand filter like the Intex 26675EG Crystal Saltwater filter, our pick for easiest maintenance, where the sand only needs to be replaced every 3 years. However, it's still a low-maintenance option compared to cartridge models that require cleaning every few weeks. Dimension: 25.9 by 16.4 by 28.9 inches. Pool type: above-ground. Filter type: diatomaceous earth. Maximum pool size: 19,200 gallons. Maximum flow rate: 40 GPM. At number 2. Swimline Hydrotools Pool Sand Filter with Variable Speed Pump. The Swimline Hydrotools Pool Sand Filter Pump is our favorite energy-efficient pool filtration system. It works for both in-ground and above-ground pools, and it comes with a 2-speed pump that saves a lot of energy when your pool isn't in maintenance mode and doesn't need a deep clean. This filtration system includes a filter tank, variable speed pump, filter base, multi-port valve, and it handles filtration from start to finish. Even has a clearly labeled multi-port filtration system for easy backwashing. The pump runs at 2 variable speeds, with a maximum flow rate of about 83 GPH, which is more than high enough to match the filter's maximum pool capacity of 21,000 gallons. While this system provides better energy efficiency than single-speed systems, you can build an even more efficient system yourself by pairing an Energy Star certified variable speed pump with the filter of your choice. The Penteri C342001 Superflow VS is one very efficient option. Dimension: 32 by 22 by 30 inches. Pool type: in-ground and above-ground. Filter type: sand. Maximum pool size: 21,000 gallons. Maximum flow rate: 83 GPH. At number 3. Hayward ProGrid DE Pool Filter. The Hayward W3 DE 6020 is our favorite filter for large pools. It has a high 120 GPM flow rate, efficient diatomaceous earth filtration, and durable housing that's built to last and designed for easy maintenance. This powerful filter uses the same excellent diatomaceous earth filtration system as the Hayward W3 EC40 C92S Perflex, our best overall pick, just at a much bigger scale, so it's suitable for very large residential pools. We like how easy this filter's design makes it to access the diatomaceous grids for service. It works well with pools up to 72,000 gallons in volume 2, which translates to about 44 by 22 feet, for a rectangular pool that's 5 feet deep. For even bigger pools, Hayward makes one larger option for pools up to 86,400 gallons. This is an expensive filter, the priciest one we recommend, so we're disappointed it doesn't have all the necessary hardware or a multi-port valve for backflushing and other functions. We recommend picking up a Hayward SP0710XR50 or another compatible valve for that. You'll also need to supply your own pump for this one, since it's just the filter. The right pump will depend on your pool, but the Hayward Super Pump VS is a variable speed option that takes advantage of this filter's 120 GPM flow rate, so it's good for large pools. Dimension: 23.1 by 24.6 by 47.8 inches. Pool type: in-ground. Filter type: diatomaceous earth. Maximum pool size: 72,000 gallons. Maximum flow rate: 120 GPM. At number 4. Intex Saltwater Filter. If you have an above-ground pool and want a low-maintenance filtration system, the Intex EG Crystal Saltwater Filter is an all-in-one solution. It offers excellent filtration and creates chlorine from salt in one convenient package. We love how easy this system is to set up and maintain. Just add your own sand to the filter unit, measure out the recommended amount of salt for your pool, and then perform regular backflushing to keep the sand fresh. The filter unit has very easy controls, and it also has a timer system that helps you conserve energy by not running it when it isn't needed. The control panel also lets you know if you need to add more salt or if there are any other issues with the system, further simplifying maintenance. The sand filter included with this system has a lower flow rate than some. The lower flow rate means that this system is limited to 8,500 gallon pools. Around 20-foot pool that's 48 inches deep holds about 8,000 gallons, for reference. For larger pools, there's a version for up to 15,000 gallon pools that include the same sand filter, pump, and chlorine generator. Dimension: 18.5 by 25.13 by 21.88 inches. Pool type: above ground. Filter type: sand. Maximum pool size: 8,500 gallons. Maximum flow rate: 25 GPM. At number 5. Hayward Pool Filter. The Hayward W3C500 exemplifies everything we like about cartridge pool filters. It's easy to service, has a large cartridge capable of filtering huge volumes of water, and the cartridges are washable so they last a long time. This filter system uses a simple single-element cartridge system, so it's much easier to service and maintain than multiple-element alternatives. We also like that this filter is designed to prevent debris from accidentally returning to the pool when the filter cartridge is removed for regular cleaning. Hayward's reusable filter cartridges can last up to 3 years if you clean them regularly, so it's important to keep up with that if you choose this filtration system. They're easy to wash off with a garden hose, or you can use a pool filter cartridge cleaning tool to speed up the process. Dimension: 10.5 by 19.5 inches. Pool type: above and in-ground. Filter type: cartridge. Maximum pool size: 24,000 gallons. Maximum flow rate: 50 GPM.